Hi guys, thanks for joining us for Maker Monday. Today we are going to be making a kaleidoscope. So once you've picked up your craft bag from the library, all that you'll need at home is some glue and tape. So to get started, the first thing we're going to do is take our toilet paper roll and our cup, and we're just gonna put a little line of glue around the top. You could use hot glue, you could use regular glue, and just press that in there. The cup fits pretty snugly, but since we're gonna have little beads in there, we don't want them falling out. All right, once we have our cup glued in the top, we are going to add a piece of paper on the outside to help our kaleidoscope spin. So we're just going to tape the piece of paper around. You want this to be able to spin freely, so we don't want to tape it super tight. We also don't want to tape the paper directly to the tube. Just make sure you're taping the paper to itself. And that's that. That's an easy step. So we're just going to leave that to the side for now. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is take your piece of shiny paper. It's already been scored. So we're going to take it and we're going to fold it into a triangle. You want the shiny part of the paper on the inside of the triangle. So we're going to fold the edges up and then just tape them together. Okay, so now we have a triangle that's very shiny inside. So we are going to take our triangle and just slide it right into our toilet paper tube, and it should fit just like so. Okay, so we are now ready to add our beads. So I'm going to take them and pour them in the cup. You want your cup to be pretty full so that when you turn it sideways, all the beads don't fall to the side. But you don't want it to be so full that they don't have room to move around, because that's what makes it look so cool, as you see the reflection of the beads as they're moving. Okay, so I have my cup filled with beads. Now I'm going to take my wax paper, put it over the top, hold it on there, and just attach it with a rubber band. If you'd like to, at this point, you can trim the excess of your wax paper. You just want to leave enough to, hang over. And that's it, guys. You're done. There you have it, your very own kaleidoscope. Point it towards a light or towards a window and see how it works. You can also test putting different things inside and seeing how they look. So have fun with it, guys. Thanks for joining us. See you soon. Bye.